Hello everyone, I'm Kevin. Welcome to GetonAgain Real Stitching CAD online lessons. Today I will teach you make the real stitching pattern. Open the software as an administrator. Open Option to set software parameters. Take 8. Choose the length unit. OK. Right-click on the grid icon. Edit the grid size. Use the Run tool to make the design. Click left button to draw straight line. Click the right button to draw curve. Click backspace key to delete point. Click End key to finish. Use the Select tool. Right-click to mirror on copy lines. Take 8. OK. Click the right arrow key on keyboard to move the line. Change the line start on endpoint. Click this tool. The design is completed. Save the file. Thanks for watching.